गोयचे सरकार स्थिर आसा. मोगो गोवा फॉरवर्ड आनी अपक्ष पक्षान पर्रीकर सरकाराक तेंको दिल्लो आसा आनी हे सरकार 5 वर्सां बरे रितीन पुराय करतले आनी लोकांची सेवा करतले म्हूण भौशीक बांदकाम मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकर उलयला. आर्टिक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
How stable is your government? Very well. Very well. They are together. We want to run this government 5 years under the leadership of Manohar Parrikar, and we are capable minister in the government where we can get it done each and every work of the other department also. That capacity, some 5-6 ministers are there taking.
Surin Babu, तो एक बार एक statement केला कि Congress had sent some fillers to you, Mona.
Congress is not sending the player. Day to day they are meeting me, Vijay Sardesai, everybody, just to make their problems clear.
Was it Digambar Kamath or was it Girish Chodal?
No, I don't want to quote anything at this moment. Let us serve for the people of Goa. Let us do good works. What we have planned in Margaon area, what we planned in Saksit area, what we planned in Konda area. Let us complete, go to the election to the people and then decide. Let people decide in 2021 who has done good.